welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the OCELOT gaming headset from White Shark. Here it is. Okay, so basically what we've got the OCELOT on the side there, true to White Shark form, gives you a little bit of information about the name of the product. So it's actually a cat, in case anybody didn't know what an OCELOT was. On the back there gives you some information about the product itself, and then you can see the product through the window there as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to crack the box open, we're going to take a little look inside, see what they're all about, plug them in, have a little go. Okay, so we've got the White Shark OCELOT gaming headset. So a quick look around the box before we open them up and have a look at the actual product. So on the front there, 50mm drivers, 2x3.5mm audio jack, volume control, spectrum LED light. On the side you've got the social information for White Shark, and on the back here you've got a lot more information. So what we've got, if you want to pause it on here, you can have a little read if you need to. So we've got the specifications of the headset over there. Over this side we've got the features, and then obviously it just zooms in on a few more points as well. Information about the manufacturer, and then information about the importers and stuff down the bottom there. A few little other images and stuff. On the side there you've got the information about the OCELOT itself, so if you want to learn about the OCELOT cat, gives you some information about that on there as well. Obviously pause it if you want to read about it now if you're interested. Apart from that, we'll crack them open and get the actual headphones out. Now, disclaimer, I've been using these for a while because they are actually my preferred gaming headset right now. So I'm just going to pull them out. You'll notice that, well, you might notice that they've got some signs of use, some signs of wear, and I just wanted to make a point that I have been using them, so you do know that's why. So anyway, obviously the cable and everything will be all wrapped up properly when you first get them out of the box, but we are where we are. Okay, so on the bottom here you've got your three cables, so you've got your three connectors if you like. So you've got your headphone connector there for audio, you've got your mic connector there, and then you've got your USB connector there. So obviously these two speak for themselves. The USB is purely for the light on the headphones itself, so that's, you know, optional. You don't have to plug that in at all, but these two are what you need for audio and obviously for chat as well. So move that to one side. Let's look at the actual earbuds themselves. Now on the top there, as you probably saw when it came out of the box, you've got the White Shark logo on there, which is great. This adjustable headband automatically adjusts to the size of your head, which is great. So you just slide them straight on and they just fit your head straight away. You don't have to pull them and adjust them and all that kind of stuff. It just goes straight on, which is fantastic. They are quite large cans, but they are super comfortable. And these ear pads, you know, obviously help with that. Yeah, I've worn them for many an hour gaming and what have you, and they've been very good for me. On the side there you've got obviously the OCELOT name as well. You've got the LED strip, same on the other side, and then on the front there you've got the microphone, which rather than having the big boom mic going around the front of your face, you just got this little mic here, which picks up the audio absolutely fine. Everybody that I've been playing with said they can hear me absolutely fine. The audio quality is really good as well, so I mean I've got no problems whatsoever with these, so I've been very happy using them. What I'll do quickly is I will just plug the USB in so that you can actually see them lit up as well. We pop that in there, and there you go, the light comes on the side there. So it's just cosmetic, so you don't have to have that on obviously, but if you prefer to have a little bit of light when you're gaming, then that's for you. But like I say, that's just on the USB. So there you go, that's the White Shark OCELOT. Very good set of headphones, I'm very pleased with them. Obviously drop a like below if you like the video. If you want any more information on them, just drop a comment, let me know. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.